the key points to kind of bring into play are understanding the actors and then the cycles. So the actors we have human beings, we have corporations, we have technology that's impacting them both. And so when we understand the different cycles, the shift cycles that I lay out in the book, the challenge that a lot of organizations run into is that they only think about the first cycle, which is, how is technology impacting my ability as a seller to go do the work? What they're failing to incorporate and think about is that same technology and other technology is actually impacting the buyer in the buyer's behavior. And then when you put those two together, you put the sales interaction into the buyer interaction, becomes another loop of modification. So we actually have a dual modification going on. The buyer is modifying due to their own experience with technology, and then they're modifying based off the market's approach to them. So this becomes a double shift. And most organizations are stuck in manufacturing principles of creating a structure, a go-to-market best practice strategy. That's why I love it. Once again, the big takeaway to me, I'm writing notes over here, is we're going to get stuck in the same place unless we break out and reimagine what's possible.